Mainly done through our administration staff. We have 3 staff downstairs that are consistently communicating. 21st century, so we have, what do we have? WhatsApp, emails, telephones. I think telephones still exist. Yeah, that type of thing. So we're regularly communicating with the client. Once the renovation starts, the majority of the communication is via our project manager. So as we say to the client, there's absolutely no reason to talk to the tiler, plumber, etc. Our project manager's got control of all of that. He talks to you on a regular basis. He even gives you a phone call a day or 2 before the reno to say, guess what, we're on time guys, we're coming, 7 o'clock, be ready.